Hey everyone, my name is Dani Zafar. I'm a UI/UX and a product designer. In this course, I will show designers like us how AI is changing the way we design and how you can start using it in your own work from today. As we all know that AI is just not a buzzword anymore. Many industries use it every day, like for example, medical industries, IT, automation, and also design is one of them. For designers, AI helps us to work faster, deliver projects sooner, and try to create more ideas. And also let the tools handle the boring, repetitive tasks. But we are still in control, like we still control the design and the quality. So what AI does, it just speeds up the process. So by end of this course, you will be able to know how to use this AI to save our time, to be more productive, and to build the better user experiences without feeling worried about learning new tools. Okay, so here is how the course flows, so you will always know what is coming. First of all, we'll understand what AI means for us, like for UI/UX designers, and why it matters. Next, we'll use this AI for generating the inspirations and ideas. You will see, how to research faster, create mood boards, and generate wireframes. Then we'll learn prompt engineering, which is one of the most important and most talked feature of AI, which simply means how we can write the clear instructions. Prompt means how we can give the clear commands to AI so that it will generate a very good and better results. Okay. After that, we'll use AI for daily design tasks like automating file cleanups and checking the accessibility. And in this course, we'll also cover the UX writing with AI, like how we can write the content and UX writing using various tools like ChatGPT, etc. So finally, we'll put all these things together into a simple AI workflow, and then we can just use those in our projects. So, what is AI in UI/UX design? First of all, let's see what is AI. AI in design means using the smart tools that understands your instructions and help you create and generate the designs in a very better and efficient way. So they can do various things like they can suggest the layouts, they can write text, and even organize your design files. You are still the designer, you don't need to worry, but it makes us the decisions more quickly, and it generates the you can say base flow or the basic structure of your designs. For example, if we take the example of one of the famous tools of AI, which is ChatGPT, it can write out short UX messages in seconds. Okay, so there is one more tool. We will be just discussing about the tools in the later part of the sessions. So there are various tools where we can utilize those tools in creating the basic infrastructure of our design. We can just create the sitemaps, we can create the wireframes and all of that.